everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tania and today I'll be sharing with you guys my very huge Nykaa haul. Okay, so it's been a very long time that I have been on YouTube. Also, I must tell you, all these products retailed for around 13,000, but there are like 42 products which also includes freebies. So yeah, I will also mention that as well, and I will try to link all the products in the description box below, so make sure you check them out if you want to. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So firstly, there are a few random products. Then there is the Nykaa beauty box that I purchased, and there are also some luxe items that I will show in no particular order. So yeah, also I have done this look using most of these products, so if you want to check the look, you can go to my Instagram handle. I have posted it in my IGTV. Make sure you check it out as well. I will leave my Instagram handle in the link below. Let me first show you what I got in the Nykaa beauty box. Okay, so the first product that I received is this Olay Regenerist Whip Active Moisturizer. Next thing I got is this Kaya Derma Naturals Conceived by Nature, Crafted by Science. This is I think, yeah, this is a skin hydrating night mask. Yeah, I haven't opened most of these products, but these are full size products. Yeah, before buying it I saw they were mentioning this was a full size product. Most of the products are full size except for a few. The next one is this the Mom's Eye Cream. This is also a full size product. Can't wait to try it. The next product I got is from the Mamaearth. This is the charcoal body wash. Really excited to use this as well. One thing I must tell you, like this beauty box retailed me for 1800, but with like 14 products, and I really loved whatever was inside the package. Dot and Key 72-hour hydrating gel probiotics. So this was a mini one, and I used it on my face today. So yeah. Okay, so the next item I got is this K Beauty Matinee Lip Crayon. Yeah, and this is in the shade Playback. So yeah, this is how this looks like. I haven't used it yet. This is what the shade looks like. Okay, moving on. Yeah, I am doing this real quick because too much products, and yeah, whatever. Okay, so the next product is this Nykaa Wanderlust in the shade Hawaiian shade flavor, whatever it is, Hawaiian Jasmine. So yeah, this is a body scrub from Nykaa. Next I have got is this Faces Canada in Splash. This is a nail paint. I have used it on my nails along with glitters. Yeah, I have used two different nail paints. So yeah. Next product I got is this Tulips wet wipes. I have got is this lipstick from Nykaa. This is in the shade Bon Appetit Baby, and this is how it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna break it. Did I break it? I broke it. Okay, whatever. Next I have got is this Kama Ayurveda Rose Jasmine Face Cleanser. This is very nice. I have used one of these before, and I love it. It's very refreshing. And so yeah, like all the products in the beauty box are very useful. The next I've got is this MAC Caffeine, and this is a kit. So I have got one face wash, mini face wash, coffee face wash, and a coffee face mask. So yeah, I'm gonna use them. I just love these minis very much, and it also comes in this small pouch. So yeah, very nice. Okay, so the next product I have got is this Bombay Shaving Company razor. These have 3 razors inside it, face razors. So yeah, this is also kind of useful for me because sometimes like most of the times I do my eyebrows using these razors. So yeah. And the next product I have got is this Veet ready to use instant waxing kit. This has kind of 4 pieces in it. So yeah, what else did I got? Yeah, so these were the 14 products. So moving on to the other products. So first I have got is this Nivea whitening sensitive deodorant. Next I've got is this Sirona multi-use wipes. This have 50 wipes and I got it in a very discounted price. And yeah, so the next I've got is this Gillette Venus Breeze, and also along with that I have got these two cartridges. So like there are three cartridges. The next product is this Biotic Argan Oil from Morocco shampoo. Morocco. Oh wow. This Biotic shampoo, I just love the packaging. Then I have also got this Lotus Lip Lush Lip Balm in the watermelon flavor. Next I have got a Maybelline makeup remover. This is the eye and lip makeup remover. I just wanted to purchase a makeup remover randomly. Some of these were unnecessary. Okay. Next I got this Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Flawless Face Wash. I just wanted a face wash and I just picked the first product I saw, and yeah, nothing special to mention. Next I got is this Himalaya Tan Remover Orange Face Scrub. I was out of scrub and I needed to buy a scrub, so I got this scrub because why not. Next I have got a white eyeliner pencil, which is probably gonna be useless because I have watched this shade before and I did not really like it. It's more like a silvery tone rather than white. I don't know why. So yeah. Next I also got this Pond's Super Light Gel. I have used this before and I was also out of it, so I just had to repurchase it. If you haven't tried it already, you should definitely try it. That is all I have to say about this. I am totally in love with this. The next product I have got is this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I just wanted to have a concealer. I already have concealers and I just wanted to try this one out. This product I got is this Iconic eyeliner. I just used it on my eyes, and this liner, like the brush is so sharp and so nice. Totally in love with this liner. Maybe gonna repurchase it after I finish it. And I love the packaging and the bottle and everything about it. Okay. Next I have also got the Lakme Iconic Mascara. I just needed a washable mascara, and I don't think this is a waterproof mascara because nowhere it is mentioned that it is a waterproof mascara, so I just got this mascara. I also got myself this Blue Heaven long lasting makeup fixer. I do makeup on a regular basis and I don't feel it necessary to apply an expensive fixer every day, so I just got myself this one and I have applied it today as well. Not sure though how effective this is. This was affordable, so I just got myself one. Got this eyeshadow palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright Eyeshadow Palette. I have heard quite a lot about this palette and the shades are so colorful and so pigmented. I just love these shades and I've swatched quite a few and I'm totally in love with this palette, and this is kind of my current favorite. So yeah, also along with this palette I got something for free, and that is this Makeup Revolution Sofx. I don't know how to spell it though. I got this lip color. This is in the shade Cake. Although I'm not very much fond of this shade, but I'm gonna use this because I love new shades. Also let me know if you want see a review on this palette. Okay, so next I got is this MAC Stop Cream, the shade Gold Light. I have heard so much about it and just wanted to try. I also got myself the MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation, which I've applied on my face and I think it goes very well with my face. And yeah, I think it is absolutely my skin tone and I have done a very good job at that. I've also applied these two products on my face today as well, so yeah, as I said, you should check out my IGTV. Along with these two products I got 3 freebies, and do you want to know what they are? So yeah, the first product I got is this MAC highlighter, and this is in the shade Oh Darling. This is how this looks like, and let me swatch it for you. I just love this like so much. Like the fact that I have got this for free This is a full size product and I am so much in love with it. This is pure love. This is what true love looks like. So the next product is not like a free product, but more like I had a coupon discount that if I purchase products above 3000 I would be getting a free full size lipstick from MAC. So this is the shade I got, that shade that I'm wearing right now. I am very much in love with this shade, the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. So this is the mini product I received, a freebie. This is 2.5 ml. Other than this, I also got myself the Smashbox X Malvika Always on Matte, Always on Mini Matte Duo. These are the shades Driver's Seat and Babe Alert. Both of them are nude. One is more like on a pinkish nude and the other one is more like on a brown nude. And I love these shades, but to be honest, these are minis and I'm not gonna just swatch them. Photo Finish Primer, Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer, and a bottle of Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. So forgot to mention this white liner that I bought for myself. This is the Bella Voste Liquid Dip Eyeliner. I think that is it for the video, and I hopefully have shown you every product. I haven't counted and I don't remember. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and also mention in the comment which product did you like from all of this, among all this. And yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, and until then, take care, bye bye, stay home, stay safe. Now I have to edit it. Okay, so to be honest, I got it in the summer super saver sale, but I had to quarantine my products for quite a few days, and I had to wait until all the products came by, and then I had to film it and then edit it, and that's why this video is up so late. But sale to sale hota hai, so I hope you guys will watch it. So yeah,